Hey everybody, this is Michael, your friendly financial coach here, coming to you once again with some powerful and empowering information about building your credit score. In addition to that, about managing debt. In addition to that, we're going to help some people get into a place where they can actually win with money. I'm an individual that believes in helping people reach their financial destiny. So when I talk about financial 3D, we go into the part of the D stands for financial dignity, financial dominance, financial destiny. That's 3D. So when we go into individuals talking about financial dignity, we deal with money management and debt management. Financial dominance is actually using credit to help you get to that next level in life. And then financial destiny is actually leaving that legacy and then building wealth at the same time. What I want to speak to you about today is building your credit score the right way. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, your credit score won't be built in the day as well. There's a lot of scams out there trying to get you to connect with them and say, hey, we can boost your credit score within 7 days, within 3 days, within 2 weeks. And I'm familiar with these techniques and these tactics. Being from the credit repair industry, I don't do credit repair. For those who truly know me and have worked with me, I do credit restoration. We know it takes time to truly build your credit. When I speak to my clients, it depends on what's on their credit report to determine what we can do to build their credit score fast. The process is not an overnight process. Let me get you familiar with some of the scams that people do in order to boost your credit score. One tactic is they actually send in fraud letters to the credit reporting agencies. Now, they'll do either a freeze on your credit, or this will dispute any of the transactions that made your credit score be low. This is illegal. You cannot send in a fraud letter for accounts that you actually created, for items that you were late on. And it does boost your score, because what the credit reporting agencies do while they're researching the fraudulent accounts or the fraudulent information on there, it actually can boost your score temporarily, because they will say, well, we're not going to include this in your credit report because it's under investigation. That only lasts for 2 weeks tops. But yes, it will boost your score temporarily to make your mortgage lenders and your bankers, real estate agents look at your credit report and look okay to get you approved. Now, I know some people just want to say, get me approved for the house. It goes beyond just getting approved for a house so you can get into that house. You have to do things after the house in order to boost your credit. I know some of you are going to start financing furniture. Some of you are going to start financing appliances. Some of you are going to want to decorate as well. And you're probably going to put that on a credit card, or you're going to get a line of credit, or you're going to get a loan. And it happens. They're going to look at your credit score after it has gone back down, and then you're going to have more increase on your credit report, which will drop your score even more. It's time we stop sending this delusion to people, and it's a fault of society wanting everything now. So in our goal here in helping people live financially better, we want to tell you it takes time. It won't be done overnight. It won't be done in 2 weeks, and maybe it can be done in a month if there's not a lot on your credit to be fixed or adjusted or even restored. Some of you have bad habits that you've accumulated over the years. It didn't destroy your credit overnight, so therefore we can't fix your credit overnight. But overall, stop falling for the scams. All right, let's do this right. Let's truly look over your credit report. Let's truly find out what's going on. There are collections on there that if you truly owe that money, you need to pay that money. Stop playing around, stop playing games, because once you get that disputed, they're going to come back to you and say, no, you owe this money. Now, there are some things on there legally that can fall off after a while, even if you owe it. Great. There are some things that are medical collections, that there are new laws that have been enacted that can get those removed or won't show up at all on your credit report. And then 3, you need to stop the bad habit of overspending. Stop using all those credit cards and taking them up to the limit, or bring them, never paying them down. Even if you do take them to the limit, if you don't pay them down in 30 days, they will lower your credit limit, especially if you're not going to pay on it. And there are different tactics and techniques you can use. So I want to give you the true insight of building your credit score the right way and to keep it strong, okay? So stay tuned for more information. This is Michael, your friendly neighborhood financial coach, helping you to be financially better. God bless.